All right, so we're out here at the Devil's Race Course at the Palisades, Indian Trail Palisades. We're gonna be going out to the overlook with Mr. Mongoose here and Lolly hitting the trail. So it's a very quick hike to the overlook, but one thing you'll notice is that rain gear is on. It is raining. Let's keep moving.
Fine, fine, fine. Fools' names like monkeys' faces always appear in public places.
That's awesome. So we just came from up there, going all the way down to the Devil's Race Course, which is over this hump. And as you can see, there's a lot of switchbacks to make this trail a little easier getting down to the base.
That's right there.
Mm-hmm.
That's dog hobble.
Dog hobble?
Mm-hmm.
You making that up?
No, I'm not. There's a lot of that in the Smokies, and that they call it that because when they go bear hunting, the bears would run through that and the dogs couldn't follow them.
Oh, because
They hobble.
you okay there?
I'm thinking.
Oh.
Has blue berries on it. I think it. We got to go back there to get back to the car. Here, stand beside it and let me make you a picture. Now, here's the duck lesson for today. On the geese. Those are if those were ducks, not geese, they would be dabbling ducks. Dabbling ducks turn butt up like that and eat algae and stuff off the bottom.
Huh.
The other type of duck is a diving duck. Diving duck goes all the way underwater. What you were talking about a while ago, yeah, well, I can't think of their name, man.
I don't want to touch it. Power Puffs.
Hey, you missed it.
I did?
Are your feet wet?
Nope.
Mine are not. Are yours?
No. We had a great time today. It was a little wet, but that's okay. It makes you appreciate things more. We saw a lot of wonderful scenery and nature and all that good stuff, and then we had a big bowl of noodles to finish it off and a hot cup of coffee. So things are great here in Sandy Springs.
All right. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.